Hey guys, come with me to the Glow House party. I got invited today, so we are gonna pack because I'm gonna go get ready with some of my friends. Now we gotta pack all my makeup. Now we're gonna pack all my jewelry in here. Time is 4:20 p.m. The party starts at 7:30, so we're doing good on time. Hey guys, we're in the car. Say hi, Mom. And now we're going to Zoe's hotel. I'm gonna get ready in the car, like do most of my makeup. We're 10 minutes away from Zoe's hotel. Hey guys, we made it to the hotel. Now we're Leo, Reagan. Hi, it's Zoe. It's some tabletops. And we took no. Okay. We are in the Glow House. We just arrived. Cheers, everyone. Yes. Close my camera and stuff. Guys. Oh, guys. Whoa. Thank you so much for doing that. So it's very loud. We're having a fun time. Hello, vlog. Hello. We're having so much fun. I just need a moment to decompress. We have no shoes on. Okay guys, that's it. It's the end of the Glow House. It was super fun. Bye, I love you guys.